Hey barbecue fans, it's Chef Philip Dell. You know, I just want to take a moment and present to you what I think is probably one of the quickest and easiest ways to have a great time with your friends anytime, anywhere. Let's have a tailgate. What do you need when you have a tailgate? Well, let's talk about that. If you put together a small little kit, it's easy and you're ready to go anytime. I've put together a crate full of items that I think are essential that you might want to have with you so that you can just pick it up and you're ready to go. You need good quality charcoal. I love Royal Oak charcoal and it's American made. You need some fire starters. These are tumbleweeds. They're quick, they're simple, they're all natural. Fire extinguisher, always got to be safe. I have an ash pan. We're going to light our charcoal in the ash pan. This also acts as a great spot to dump our used up charcoal that we can put out with water. Speaking of water, gotta have it. Hot gloves, great for safety, don't want to burn yourself. And a charcoal chimney. These are quick, simple ways to light your fire. Let's talk about major equipment for a minute. And quite honestly, it's not even major. A couple different choices of what you can actually cook on for an impromptu tailgate. We have here the Weber Smokey Joe. It's small, it's great for kids. This is an excellent way to get your kids involved. Or if you want to go more budget friendly, for 20 bucks you can pick up a charcoal chimney, put a grate on top and cook directly on one of these. So like I mentioned before, we've got a half pan that we want to put our charcoal on so that we don't burn the ground or leave a mess. In a couple minutes, we'll be ready to go. I hope you've really enjoyed this quick tip on how you can enjoy the outdoors with your family and friends. I'm Chef Philip Dell. I'll see you on the barbecue trail.